friends, today I am going to continue IMO paper for grade 4. Friends, this will be my last video for the IMO paper. So let's begin. Question 31. Match the following and select the correct option. So here I just written the numbers which are representing the Roman numerals. So in column AP, CDV plus CLX equals to 405 plus 160. 405 plus 160 equals to 565. And you can just see where is 565. In 3, the DLXV equals to 565. So P and 3 can be connected. In Q, DLXV minus LXV equals to 565 minus 45. 565 minus 45 equals to 520. And in the options, 1 DXX equals to 520. So the Q can be connected to I. In R, CCXI plus GCL equals to 311 plus 650. 311 plus 650 equals to 961. And in column B, 4 equals to 961. CMLXI equals to 961. So these can be connected. And in S, CMX minus DXIV equals to 910 minus 514, which equals to 396. So it can be connected to 2. CVI equals to 396. Now we just have to find out the answer which shows the correction. So in A, P equals to 3. Yes, P equals to 3. Q equals to I. Yes, Q equals to I. R equals to IV. Yes, R equals to IV. And S equals to 2. Yes, S equals to 2. So A is the correct answer. Question 32. Which of the following figures have the same perimeter? So for this question, you just have to find the perimeter of these figures and see which of the following are the same. So in one, there is a simpler way to find the perimeter, and that is just by making a formula. So you know that one side equals to 5 centimeters. So you can write 5 centimeters, and 3 5 centimeter sides equals to one of these figures. So you can multiply that into 3, and there are 4 of these types of figures. So you can multiply that into 4, and that will give you your perimeter. So 5 centimeters into 3 into 4 will give you 60 centimeters. So that is the perimeter. In 2, this you cannot make a formula for this one because the sides are very different. All you have to do is adding, and on adding you will get 76 as the perimeter. But in 3 you can make a formula. The formula will, so first we can start finding the formula for this 4 centimeters. So you can do 4 centimeters into 3 because in one of this figure there are 4 centimeters. So 4 into 3, and there are 2 of these, so you have to multiply that into 2. 4 centimeters into 3 into 2 will give you 24 centimeters. Now that we have this, we can just leave it like that, and we have to add these two sides. So 4 centimeter into 2, you can do that. 4 centimeters into 2, which will give you 8, plus what you got in the earlier formula, which is 24. So 24 plus 8 equals to 32. And now that we found all the 4 centimeters sides, we can just find out for the 7 centimeters. So for this finding the perimeter of these 7 centimeter sides, it's easy. There are 4 of these 7 centimeter sides, so you can do 7 into 4, which will give you 28. Now you have to add 32 plus 28 centimeters, which will give you 60 centimeters. So 60 centimeters is the perimeter. So now you found out that the perimeters of all these figures. So what you have to do is just see which ones are the same. Probably you have noticed that 1 and 3 have the same perimeter. So B is the correct answer. Question 33. Identify the number using the given clues. So these are the clues, and we just have to find the number which follows all these clues. So let's move on to the first clue. Its 100th digit is 4th of its 1st digit. So, but but they didn't give their ones digit. Well, it's not in this clue, so you can just leave that there. In the second clue, it says its ones digit it is the smallest prime number. So you know that the smallest prime number is 2, so its ones digit is here. And if we go back to the first clue, it says its hundredth digit is fourth multiple of its ones digit. So now we know that the fourth multiple of 2 ones digit is 8. So 8 is the hundredth digit. In clue number 3, its tenth digit is 7 more than its ones digit. So all we have to do is add 7 to the 2 because it's the ones digit, which will give you 9. So 9 is the tenth digit, and its thousandth digit is 3 less than its tenth digit. So now you have to just subtract 9 minus 3, which will give you 6. So our number is 6892. In B, the answer is 6892. So B is the correct answer. Question 34. Which of the following statements is correct? So you just have to see if these statements are correct in this question. In A, it says sum of 3 1/4 and 4 1/2 is 7 3/4. Yes, that is correct, because to do the addition, all you have to do is first add the whole numbers, which is 3 and 4, which will give you 7. And if you do the addition, you will get 3/4. So 7 3/4 is the correct answer. So this is correct. But friends, they are saying which of the following is incorrect. So this is not going to be the answer, though it is still correct. And B, 8 10,000s and 60 tens plus and 41 ones are written in numerals as 8 6 4 1. Friends, this is the wrong one, because they say that 8 10,000s, and if it was going to be 8 10,000, it would be 80641. But here they written it is as 8,641 and not 80,000. So this is going to be the incorrect answer. In C, they say a rectangle has 2 lines of symmetry. Yes, that is correct. A rectangle has 2 lines of symmetry, and that is this one and this one. And we don't really need to do D, because if this will only be the correct answer. So this will only be correct because we only came across one that is incorrect. So B is the correct answer. Question 35. Find the value of heart plus triangle minus this rhombus. So I love these types of questions because you have to do many types of equations. So first you have to look at this box very carefully. You will come across that in this row, all of the shapes are the same. So, and there are 3 shapes, and they also give the weight. So you can say that 21 divided by 3, the number of shapes, equals to 7. So the weight of a triangle is 7 kg. Now that you know that, you can move on to this one. This one you can use this clue here. So in this one you have to multiply the triangle into 2, which is 14 kg, and you have to minus it by 20 kg. 20 minus 14 will give you 6. So now that you know the remaining, you just have to divide that by 2, which will give you 3. So the height is 3. So now that we know that, we can find some other equation another clue, to find out another shape's value. If we look onto this row, you can see that they gave the triangle and the heart. They give the triangle and the triangle, heart, and the rhombus. So we can use this clue. All you have to do is add the triangle's value, which is 7, and the heart's value, which is 3. So 7 plus 3 equals to 10, and you have to minus it by 15, which will give you 5 kg. So the value of the rhombus is 5 kg. Now that we know that, there is only one shape remaining, and that is the square. There is only one square here, so we can only use this one or this one, but this one would be, you can use this one or this one. I will be using this one, this clue. So they say that if you add these two and minus it by 15 kg, you will get the value of this. square. So a heart plus the triangle, a heart plus the triangle will give you 10 kg. And if you minus that by 15 kg, you will get 5 kg. So the value of the square is 5 kg. Now in the question they say find the value of heart plus triangle minus the rhombus. So now you have to just solve this question. So heart plus triangle is 10 and minus the rhombus which is 5 will give you 5 kg. So C is the correct answer. Friends, this is the end of the IMO paper. I will probably finish the 5th grade IMO paper in my next video. Thank you.